Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video tutorial about KEngine. Today we start using the new version of KEngine 0.9.0. In KEngine 0.9.0 we implemented a lot of new features and a bunch of new improvement. Thanks to all the contributors and especially thanks to all of you for your feedback, really precious feedbacks. In today's video, I want to show you how to create an advanced button. Let's get started. First of all, just let me create a new button. And there we go. Now, this is basically the default button. If I start a project, okay, and just click on it, of course, nothing happens. But even if I move on the button, nothing happens. I'll be using the standard default button for this purpose, but of course you can use many more assets in creating your button or your resources for your games. I just want to create a nice mouse on effect and mouse out effect. So basically as soon as I move on my button, okay, as soon as I move the mouse over my button, basically it's gonna change its state with an animation, and as soon as I moved out, it's gonna change back to the state here, basically. Okay, to do this, the overlay textures, just let me check, has been already implemented, but nothing happens because basically I didn't set any new commands at all. And then I'm gonna set the new commands. If you remember some of the previous video, basically, I have to point an object, in this case key button, which is the only one that I have here in my scene, you know, and then KEngine show me all the button in the scene, all the, items in the current scene. On mouse entered, I'm gonna change overlay text to color. I'm gonna set the color fully white and alpha transparency up to 5. So all set. Let me check it. And there we go. As soon as I moved my mouse on the button, it's gonna change its state. So basically it's gonna show me the overlay texture. But there is no animation for now, and especially as soon as I move the mouse out, nothing happens, so the button doesn't return to the previous state. So I'm just set a time, it could be just 1 second, or maybe not, yeah, even faster, it could be half second. Start immediately. Transition can be linear, is in, so I'm not gonna go deep inside these usual basically settings. Now I'm gonna set another command, and in this case, as always, once again, KEngine button, the default, this object here. On mouse exited, overlay texture, in this case, back to alpha, but I already have the settings here, which is, yeah, exactly, should be the same settings of the default overlay texture state. Let me run this current scene, and there we go. So I moved the mouse on it, and it start the default, and it start to show me by animation the overlay texture, and I move the mouse out. Okay, and that's all for this video, guys. Follow us on our YouTube channel if you don't yet, and then because many new videos about KEngine 0.9 and game creation in KEngine are coming out. And in the next few videos, I'm gonna show you something more about the new features of the new KEngine 0.9 because there are because we implemented a bunch of new features and tons of new improvements. So thank you so much for this video and see you soon. Thanks. Bye.